time to tackle something different. If you've been following me since my days of hosting at the Brempro TV channel, you might remember this. This was my knife back then, a Kershaw 1316, affectionately called by my viewers as Scary Knife. I loved that knife. Unfortunately, I lost it. And after a year of not having an EDC knife with me, I finally found a suitable, worthy replacement. And my wife gifted it to me. Let's get it unboxed and tested. But before we continue with the video, let's keep the lights on here in the studio. This video was brought to you by Sneak Attack Design Lab. They're a clothing company that specializes in technical fashion, more commonly known as techwear, and you can see me in their clothes in most of my videos. I've been supporting their brand ever since I met them back in 2019, and now they're returning the favor. Head on over to the link in the description to get 10% off of your order from their site. Check their clothes out. You're bound to see something badass over there that'll look great on you. Thank you very much to Sneak Attack for this exclusive promo for my viewers. Now, back to the video. So inside this box is my next knife, and it's from Kershaw again. And as we can see on the print on the box, there are no details on it apart from a little sticker on the side that reveals its name, the Select Fire in plain black. Alright. Taking it out of the box, we get the knife itself wrapped in a plastic bag and the product information. Pretty bare. So this is the knife itself, the Kershaw Select Fire 1920. Let's head on over to the product tour. Before moving on to the product tour, I would just like to remind you that if you're liking the video so far, please consider subscribing. Less than 1% of the people watching my videos are subscribed to the channel. Subscribing is free and greatly helps me in continuously creating content for this channel, and of course, is always greatly appreciated. Alright, let's head on over to the product tour. So the Kershaw Select Fire 1920 is a knife and multi-tool, but mostly leaning to the knife side. As we can see, the grips are made of textured glass-filled nylon, but the main knife mechanism and the multi-tool are made of metal. There's also a metal subframe. Extending the 3.4-inch blade, we can see that it's got the new Kershaw logo acid-etched onto it. It's made of 8CR13 MOV steel in a bead-blasted finish. It is a manual opening blade, with only thumb studs to deploy the blade. No Kershaw quick open or assisted opening mechanism here. It is secured by a liner lock here at the middle, and it's the same mechanism that you have to push down to retract the blade. Moving on to the sides, we have a nice ergonomic grip. It fits well within my huge hands. Then we can see the reversible pocket clip, secured by two No. 1 Torx screws. Do note that it only supports tip-down alignments on either left or right side. I support this, as tip-up alignments on clips are fairly dangerous and might injure the user. Next, we take a look at the multi-tool side of the Select Fire. On both sides, we have flip-out bit holders. They hold 2 on each side with a total of 4 bits. We have No. 5 and No. 7 flat screwdriver bits, and No. 1 and No. 2 Phillips head bits. A very capable selection. Then at the ridge of the grip of the Select Fire, we have the flip-out barrel-type hex bit driver. It is magnetized to keep the bits in and can actually accommodate standard-size bits, as you can see here. It's very useful. It can be deployed in either a 90-degree or 180-degree angle from the blade, and it locks into place securely in both angles, with little to no wiggle. As we can see here as well, the stem of the barrel-type bit driver is also a mini ruler, with one side in imperial and the other in metric. Pretty cool. And lastly, when the bit driver is deployed, we also have access to the bottle opener. Alright, what a useful knife. Testing it out on some pieces of paper, we can see how sharp the factory edge is. Since I'm not going to be cutting anything with this that needs a surgical sharp edge, this is probably good enough. This is mostly going through Lazada, Shopee, and Amazon packages, as well as miles and miles of duct and gaffer tape. Maybe a few zip ties as well. Yeah, good stuff. So, what do we think about the Kershaw Select Fire 1920? I think it's a fantastic little knife that goes above and beyond its $50 asking price. It's got a nice, thick and safe blade, and additional bit driver, ruler, and bottle opener are enough essentials to get you through basic everyday life without necessitating you carry around a thick Swiss Army knife. This is going to live on my desk in EDC for all my blade needs, and it's going to be more than enough. Highly recommended. So that's the Kershaw Select Fire 1920. Do you have any questions about it? Leave them down in the comment and I'll do my best to answer them. While you're there, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. That's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.